Hi, I'm Christina from Dolcezza Custom Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest bread in less than 2 hours. So today we're making a no-knead bread, which as the name suggests, you will not need to knead. We're going to start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure you aerate it really well first. A couple teaspoons of quick rise yeast, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix it all together. I like to use a silicone spatula to mix everything up. It'll help in the next step when we need some really, really hot water. For that 1.5 cups of hot water, I just let the tap run for about a minute until it gets really hot to the touch, and I'll add it directly into the bowl, mixing it up really, really well, again with that silicone spatula so nothing really sticks to it, getting the sides. It's not going to look like dough right now, but that's okay. As long as it kind of comes together, you're good. Then you're going to pop a lid on that, make sure it's nice and tight, or you can use plastic wrap. Cover your bowl with plastic wrap or a tight-fitting lid and let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour. After 40 minutes, put a 3 or 6 quart Dutch oven with a lid into a cold oven and preheat it to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After the dough's rested for about an hour, you're going to prep your surface with some flour. I use about a cup, and turn your dough out onto it. It'll be a little bit sticky and not a lot bubbly, which is good. And using a scraper, I'm just going to fold it over a few times, 10, 12, maybe 15 times, just to get it into the basic shape of a ball. When it's not so sticky, then I'll use my hands and I'll really shape it into a nice ball here. Once that's done, I'm going to transfer it over to some parchment paper, and it has to be parchment paper, it cannot be wax paper. And then I'll transfer that back into the bowl to rest for at least another 15 minutes, usually half an hour, covering it with a loose lid or a towel. Once that second rest period is over, you're going to take the pot out of the oven. I cannot stress enough how hot this pot is. It is very, very hot. Use your oven mitts. Put the parchment paper and the dough right into the pot and into the oven with the lid on. 30 minutes is what you need to set it for now. After 30 minutes, you're going to carefully remove the lid. It is very, very hot, and set it for another 15 minutes. This is my bread out of the oven. I wish you could smell this right now. It is amazing. If you like this video and you want to see more, send me a DM or let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for watching.